Hi teachers, and welcome to Starfall. On this tutorial we were going to talk about this motivational and interactive site that provides teachers and students with a lot of tools that can help children to learn in English as if they were learning it in the United States. So let's get started. So getting into Starfall is pretty easy. You just have to go to the web and look for the site. As you can see here, this is the site, and here you are going to find different levels that you can work with your students. You can use from the basics ABC to the highest level. I am reading for the ones that are reading like in first grade or at the end of the year, depending on how you are working at in your school. If you begin from the ABCs, you are going to see that here each letter is going to be related to a kind of vocabulary that is going to start with the name of the letter. Children are going to be always getting involved with the vocabulary that is named with the same letter that they are learning. If you continue exploring this site, you are going to see that all the letters are worked at the same pattern. You are going to click on each letter and you are going to find the vocabulary that is related to each letter, and the children are going to be able to repeat each vocabulary and learn more and more words every day. On the second section, you are going to go to the second level. This level has the short and long sounds of the vowels, and they present you here some readings that the children are going to practice using the same vocabulary that they are going to be learning with the short or long sound that they are relating at the moment. For example, here you are going to find the short 8 sound, so they have to match the letter and they have to recognize the picture. Later on, they are going to be reading this SAC direct that is related to the vocabulary that they learned using these exercises, and later they are going to move to this movie site that is related to the vowels that they are learning. So in each stage of all the levels, they are going to repeat the same pattern but at different levels of difficulty. So on this part, it's fun to read. Children already know how to read, so they are going to be able to choose in a different level of readings and different topics. They can choose from art gallery, magic, music, poetry, tongue twisters, and even difficult books that they can follow and then they can enjoy by themselves. They continue being interactive readings, so they can listen to the pronunciation, they can look at the pictures, and they continue enjoying the readings because they are part of the process of reading. Starfall also gives you the opportunity to review in other topics like these ones if you are celebrating Halloween, if you are celebrating Thanksgiving, if you are celebrating any day of the year, or you just want to let them know about cultural things, you are going to have these spaces over here so they can go inside them and be learning English and learning about culture too. And now we can find this part of Starfall that is new, and it is called more to starfall.com, and here you can find comics for first graders. As you can see, this one continues being exciting for them because they can interact with the story and everything. They have the illustrator and they have the title, so they can recognize different parts of the reading. It is like a kind of different approach because they are older and they can hear and they can repeat after. So as you can see, Starfall is a really interactive site, and you can have and obtain a lot of interesting things from it. I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you.